Okay, so today we have a 2010 Acura MDX. We are doing the engine replacement. Now, everyone online is saying to go ahead and drop the cradle. I refuse to do that. Just a bunch of stuff that you would normally need to remove and disconnect just makes the job that much more difficult. Now, what we did was on this front cross member here for the radiator support, all these little points are actually spot welded in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and make sure that the holes go all the way through from frame rail to frame rail, so on and so on. And I'm actually going to pass through nuts and bolts to secure it that way. Make it so like it's the older style Pilot and MDX. We ended up burning up some of the multi-purpose drill bits, so I ended up finding these, which are the Milwaukee extra hard metal drill bits. These things cut like butter. So as soon as we actually got those, was able to punch through all these little spot welds and whatnot. You can definitely tell that they did not want you to pull it from up top, but that was the easiest way to go about getting the motor out. Unfortunately, we do not have a lift big enough to lift this vehicle, so that's why we were forced to go this direction. On the older generation Pilot and MDXs, the support is actually held in with 10mm bolts, so I'm not sure why they went away from that. More than likely some kind of cost-saving measure, but you can see all the little spots where it was drilled out. And like I said, I'll just punch through here, how it like comes through here. I'll do the same thing on this side here, drill all the way through, and then put a washer and nut on the back to make it strong enough, because that's going to be supporting both the radiator and that's the hood latch as well. So it is possible to do. I wanted to make a quick little video so that way anybody who is planning on taking this on, every video that I see of someone taking it from the top, they don't say that these are spot welded. They just say, oh, I removed it. So now you actually have something that's solid, like, yes, it is spot welded. Yes, you need some strong drill bits. But once you get it done, once you get it out, it's not too bad. You can see over there, they are now transferring all the components from one engine to the other. Pretty soon, we'll be working on this bad boy. This is a Whipple supercharged Mustang. We're going to be doing a full engine overhaul on this one, piston and rod, getting it ready for some extra boost. Fun stuff.